The ethical quagmire of Greenland, Trump's ambitions, donor interests, and a potential Arctic gold rush. Donald Trump's controversial pursuit of Greenland, an autonomous territory of Denmark, has ignited a firestorm of ethical concerns. This isn't merely a geopolitical power play. It's a complex entanglement of presidential ambitions, lucrative business interests, and a cast of wealthy donors positioned to profit handsomely from any American acquisition. The potential rewards are immense: rare earth minerals vital to U.S. tech dominance, untapped oil and gas reserves, and the strategic location itself. But the ethical implications are equally staggering. At the heart of this controversy lies a network of influential figures, tech moguls, fossil fuel executives, and crypto tycoons, who have collectively showered Trump's 2024 campaign with at least $243 million. A detailed analysis of campaign finance records and corporate filings reveals a deeply intertwined financial web connecting these donors to companies with substantial investments in Greenland's resources. The administration's stated objectives, securing critical minerals for national security and reopening oil and gas exploration, are undeniably compelling in the context of strategic resource independence. As Trump's national security advisor, Mike Waltz, succinctly stated, "This is about critical minerals, this is about natural resources." However, the overlapping interests of major campaign contributors raise serious questions about potential conflicts of interest and the prioritization of private gain over national interest. Take, for instance, Critical Metals Corp., a mining company holding a crucial permit in Greenland. Its top investor is Cantor Fitzgerald, a firm previously headed by Trump's Commerce Secretary, Howard Lutnick, who personally donated $5 million to the president's campaign. While Lutnick has since stepped down from Cantor Fitzgerald, other Trump donors now lead the company. The statement from a spokesperson regarding Lutnick's divestiture and lack of expectation of selling shares on the open market offers little solace to those concerned about the potential for undue influence. Further complicating the picture are Critical Metals' other major institutional investors, Vanguard, BlackRock, and State Street. These financial giants, also significant investors in Trump media, purchasing over $175 million in stock just before the election, appear deeply invested in Trump's success, raising the specter of quid pro quo arrangements. Their silence in response to requests for comment only deepens the ethical ambiguity. The involvement of crypto tycoons adds another layer of complexity. Figures like the Winklevoss twins, who each donated $1 million to Trump, portray the situation as a necessary defense against what they frame as the Biden administration's war on crypto. This narrative has resonated strongly within the crypto industry, leading to significant financial support for Trump and the Republican Party. The industry's largest PAC, Fairshake, reported spending a staggering $195 million in the last election cycle, with a substantial portion directed towards Trump and Republican candidates. The Greenland angle for the crypto industry revolves around establishing data centers, leveraging the region's cold climate and renewable energy sources for cryptocurrency mining operations. One startup, Limpid, has even begun tokenizing Greenlandic real estate, further blurring the lines between investment and geopolitical maneuvering. Adding fuel to the ethical fire is the ambitious project of Praxis, a group of tech elites with significant ties to the Trump administration, including donors like PayPal co-founder Ken Howery, nominated as ambassador to Denmark. Praxis envisions Greenland as an investment frontier, a potential site for a libertarian utopian, post-state, and a testing ground for technologies related to Mars colonization. While Praxis members describe themselves as optimistic pioneers, critics accuse the group of neo-colonialist exploitation, aiming to extract wealth and resources from a vulnerable nation. Their $525 million in backing and their open celebration of Howery's ambassadorship nomination underscore their ambition and access to powerful networks. The opposition from Greenlanders and the challenging terrain of Greenland itself seem to have done little to dampen the enthusiasm of these powerful interests, a testament to the allure of Greenland's potential wealth. Even if a mining venture falters, some consultants like Horn, who promoted the significant opportunity for U.S. investment in mining and energy production on Fox News, still receive fees for their services. The convergence of these diverse interests, mining, energy, technology, and cryptocurrency, around Greenland's resources paints a picture of unprecedented potential profits and equally unprecedented ethical challenges. The sheer scale of financial investment from donors directly benefiting from a potential U.S. takeover raises troubling questions about the true motivations behind Trump's Greenland ambitions. The lack of transparency and the absence of clear responses from key players only amplify the need for rigorous scrutiny and a thorough investigation into the ethical implications of this unfolding Arctic drama. The pursuit of critical minerals and energy resources should not come at the cost of ethical integrity and the sovereignty of another nation. The world watches with bated breath as this intricate and ethically fraught narrative continues to unfold. The potential consequences, both economic and geopolitical, are too significant to ignore.